G'day, this is Scotty Tucker, here today just talking to you a little bit about how to clean your pond. First of all, before you even touch on the subject of cleaning your pond, the number one recommendation is put the right equipment in there from the very start. If you get the right equipment in your pond, maintenance or cleaning of your pond is quite easy, quite simple, very easy to do. When I say the right equipment, it's a pond filter that's sized appropriately for the size of your pond. It's the right pond pump sized appropriately for the size of your pond. Most importantly, it's the right pond pump and filter combination that are both easy to clean and maintain. Because if it's not easy to clean, you're not going to clean it out that often because it's hard to do. If you've got a big pond or if you don't want to have the equipment, then engage a professional to come out and do the maintenance for you, and do it regularly. Again, it's the same as any other area of your garden. The more often you do the maintenance, the less of a big job it is, the less costly that it is, the better your pond will look. If you leave that area unattended for a year and you've got a year's worth of waste in there, it becomes a bigger job than what it otherwise would have needed to be had you done the regular ongoing maintenance. So look after your pond, enjoy it. That's what it's there for. Don't let it turn like swampy conditions. Keep it clean, clean it often, and you'll enjoy the pond for many years to come. If you want to check out more information, have a look at the description below. Subscribe to us, we'll hit the alert button, we'll send you out notifications, and we'll keep educating you so you can make your life easier and get a really nice pond or dam that you love. Thank you.